First of all, I see this last election which happened. Everything I want to talk now, I mean, I'm not be matter of. I'll just read this thing for you first. I'm even going to paste it. You will see. Okay, let 2023 be the last time of Igbo interference in Lagos politics. Let this not repeat itself again in 2027. Lagos is like Anambra, Imo, any other Nigerian state. It's not a no man's land, nor federal capital territory. It's a Yoruba land. First of all, and this is coming from Tinubu's media director. This Tinubu's Shetima campaign media director. And these were the people who were preaching one Nigeria, saying that they go unify Nigeria. Now their media director be this. First. So let's establish it. So second, we will break them one by one. When they say Igbos interfering in the Lagos politics, it's so stupid. It's the most stupid thing that I heard in this 2023 election. You have three major candidates. They had Jandor, they had GRV, and they had Sanwo-Olu. Which of them, according to how Nigeria picks where a child is from, which of them is Igbo? GRV's father is Lagosian, Jandor Lagosian. Even Sam, now the Sanwo-Olu, they say now state man that is not even from Lagos. Let's leave that aside. This kind of thing, politicians will do this, gain power by dividing us, then come back to start preaching one Nigeria so that they can take all of us. People like this, when they make this statement, you know, it wasn't after him. What's his name? MC Oluomo came out. I hope the obedient have seen that Lagos is not a no man's land. Excuse me, first of all, that statement when they say Lagos is a no man's land, it does not mean that it's not a Yoruba land. That statement was not even said by an Igbo person. That because when I no get sense, I wonder how they were able to infiltrate us as we think so we go school rich. That statement was made by Jack Conde after he won his governorship election. While he was giving his speech as a governor, as a newly elected governor, now Jack Conde, now he talks in Lagos is a no man's land. It doesn't mean that he was saying it's not Yoruba's land. It means that it's a land of opportunity for everybody. And in Nigeria, nobody Lagos get them for West. Because they brainwash it, Yorubas are accommodating. This are not. Every region for this country get where be like their Lagos, where be their no man's land. The level of acceptance that you think you see in Lagos, is it the same in Ogun State? Is it the same in Ondo State? Is it the same in Kwara State? Is it the same in Ekiti State? How many Igbos they do business for Ogun State? How many they do for Ekiti State? How many also get? Right. So Lagos is like the metropolitan city of the entire Nigeria, by the way, but it's situated in the western region. If you go to Onitsha, go there now. A lot of them know they even travel. You sit in your house, politicians will come tell you nonsense. Go to Onitsha now, main market. Go to Aba market. Go to Kano. Go other places now. Go see their major market regions. May you see what other tribes know they there. You see that one place, they just come tell you rubbish. And politicians, when they come share this divide, these are people who go to give birth to their children abroad. A lot of these politicians and the celebrity elites, where they support this nonsense, all of them go born their children for America. That very night where they born the Peking, the child became a citizen of America. The child has eligibility to enjoy every dividend of an American citizen without any roots from the child's parents. Both Nigerian parents who has never lived or paid any tax in America goes to give birth to their children in America. That day, their children become citizens of America. Now those same people can't tell you say a typical Lagos boy is not Yoruba enough suddenly because his mother is Igbo, kill and divide politics, and you stupidly listen. And I thought they jump up and down. Igbo want to take over Lagos. How? For the since when Peter Obi just emerged on the ballot box, boy, that major tribalism. Like Igbos, are they not part of Nigeria? Are they minority? Don't they have a right to contest? 1 million Igbos have a right to contest on the ballot box if they want to. After all, the last 2019 election was between Buhari and Atiku. Are two of them not from the north? We never get a situation where in 2020, Igbos have never been on the ballot box. Only this one where one Igbo man, they ballot box. Suddenly, made the whole Nigeria catch fire. Into Igbos will vote anybody as far as they believe in that person, regardless of where the person is from. In 2003, they don't born you now, at least do research. Ojukwu was on the ballot box in Abga. Ojukwu naturally is like a mini god from in the east. Ojukwu was on the ballot box with Obasanjo and the likes. Ojukwu did not win a single state in the east. Go and check it. Obasanjo cleared everything. Suddenly, as Peter Obi come out, he's now an Igbo candidate. Okay, Tinubu now be candidate of Nigeria. Now, you go see somebody they support with Abi. You go see one person from West go. Once they see one guy Ikena for a name, it's Igbo agenda. Meanwhile, you go they reply the Ikena, your name na Shegun. So you don't know the agenda. Once obedience talk, they are talking with emotions. Now only people they support APC now ain't get logic. Every other person na emotions. If you even look at where the only people who were logical in this 2020 election are the obedience. With this suffer APC put us for 8 years, what logical reason you they bring to the table to tell me say I make you support APC? What? Which reason? Because even the APC presidential candidate did not give us any reason why we should vote for him. Now my tongue, Emiloko. Is that the logic that he used? Is that the manifesto? We can't pinpoint one manifesto. You go be importer, import. He was not saying anything. Then when others talk, he said they have been emotional. Now you know logic pass. Well done, no scientists. When I know what this kill and divide one they encourage. Time they come. You know, say normally once you do the wheel of power, it will be like saying there you go end. Obasanjo, say you see where they run up and down now as a rig election. You see where they run up and down. Immediately start to complain. Say they play your video for him. The one when he do, they bring Yaradua. He never quiet like who they wait in turn for saloon. That's so they be. I say they be. You know, say that they went doing own. Another day they call him go there on the side of the masses. Say Amechi they run up and down. I wrote to Amechi they grant interview everywhere. 2019, I can never forget Rivers State election. APC had nobody on the ballot box because their candidate was denied by the court. 2 weeks or 3 weeks to the election, they have a candidate. Amechi went to Rivers State, used all the whole federal might. The Rivers State 2019 election was like a war zone. Because Amechi thought that he had federal might. Wike, the sitting governor, that one man stubborn. They were killing their brothers, killing their own people. Now Amechi they run up and down. You know, say one day they can't go, they decide who they. That federal might no call favor him again. The monster when creates, don't they run after him. Every day night, they grant interview. Abi, no problem. As Wike did there now, they do now. You know they fan now. Someone thought he was going to be a powerhouse or a godfather in Edo State. The same guy when he put as governor, now he change him for him. Now every day begin grant interview. You know they had one day go they decide to divide what would they? They talk rubbish. Igbo interference. As how? They denied their own people right to vote because they don't look Yoruba. Now they know say they be Yoruba, they know. But they know that they are educated Yoruba. They see those ones, they know say na Yoruba will go school, will get mind of their own. They just deny them, hiding under the guise of say they look Igbo. What the hell if they look Igbo? Is there any Igbo person on the ballot box? If the Igbo man decides to vote GRV, is GRV an Igbo man? Now only Igbos be non-Yorubas with the Lagos. Enough of this hiding the form. They go divide us finish them when they call it South One Nigeria. That's how Northerners no go agree with they sell alcohol for their zone. But when government generates revenue from other states where they sell alcohol, they go share inside. If Niger Delta people come now say since we are being regional, this oil now on our side today, suddenly we go realize in a national treasure. When anybody, any young boy, what would they see for England now? They will just show say a Nigerian born. You they play for one club, Nigerians go be give back and make up play for us. That's how we strive from. Stupid people. I mean, young people we no get say they very stupid. Stupid people. A lot of politicians they fool now. They go come here, divide Nigeria, finish. Suddenly it's kill and divide. This is a useless man. He's a useless man. Because anybody where they side trouble. Today as of today, say we fight on they go on. Young Igbo people and young Yoruba people don't they fight. When I know what now this match is one of the lights. When the fire go catch, nobody of us you go burn. Useless people. You go born for America. Some of you now relocate, go UK. Lived there 7 years. After 7 years, you became a citizen. You enjoy every dividend of citizenship. There's somebody whose father is Yoruba from Lagos. Suddenly is not Yoruba enough. If you don't want to vote for him, it's fine. Who is forcing you to vote for him? But why are you pinning it to say Igbos came to interfere? What nonsense? What nonsense? This is what happens in an election. Mona no get sense now. And some of you now they type this in the fan I want to come out for this country. Go there, Mona go marry one or you go get live it on 5 years, then gain citizenship, begin enjoy the dividend of that country where you get no ancestral roots. These politicians where they talk this thing, all of them born their children from America. All their children are American citizens. Then they come in to tell you that a typical Yoruba boy where your father are from Lagos. No, suddenly, it's not Yoruba enough. And you stupid young people who know they travel sit down one place, they assert everything. Politicians tell you, say, can this happen in the East? Are you stupid? Have you been to the East and see that? So you want to tell me that in the entire Owerri, now Igbo people, the other tribe know that if they come, they go ask them how they go back. They hear yourself. I beg you.